So the course I wrote 6 years ago, and coming from the commercial, my profession in the commercial world, interiors and food, working with hoteliers globally and very Melbourne based as well, cafes, restaurants.
Olivia is amazing. She's very helpful. Her insight in the industry is impeccable. She's got a vast amount of knowledge. The other students are extremely friendly and everyone's very supportive.
My name is Ryuhei Tsukamoto. I'm Japanese. I've been shooting food photography for almost 20 years, I think. I really enjoy doing a shoot for them, and the result that they come up is much better than some professionals, so quite amazing. Yeah.
I've been incredibly impressed with the level of expertise here. The skill is just awe-inspiring, and it's a privilege to work with these students.
And I looked forward to coming every week. So that was my weekend goal, was to set up for the following day at RMIT.